Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create an animated 404 page using HTML, CSS, SVG, and Particles.js. Let's dive right in. First, I need to find and download a free SVG file. I'll use Freepik for this. To access images that will be useful to me, I select Free and then choose SVG as the file type. If you use it in a commercial project, I recommend you read the license terms of Freepik. You can also see the file types of the images you will download here. Now on Figma, I'll edit the SVG file I downloaded. Here I click Design File from Create New. Now I drag and drop the SVG into this new draft. On the Layers section, you can hide or delete unwanted items. Now I rename the groups I will use for the CSS animation. In this way, I'll know which belongs to which and prevent confusion. If I want to put one group in front of another on the image, I can move it to the top like this. And I change the font of the text. The final version of the SVG looked like this. You can make changes as you like. You can even change the colors of the elements. The most important thing is to name the elements to which you'll add animation. After all, when exporting this file, I select SVG and include ID attribute to keep the named groups. Let's start with the HTML structure. I copy the exported SVG and paste it into the HTML. I set the width and height values to 680. After finishing the CSS animations, I'll turn back to HTML for Particles.js. Let's move on to the CSS. In the body, I center the content with a nice gradient background and full viewport height. For SVG, I ensure that it is responsive with max width and fits inside the container with some padding. In the next part, I add some CSS animations to the SVG elements. There are different animations for each part. It makes the whole scene look dynamic and lively. The Transform Box Fill Box property makes sure that any transformations like rotate or scale apply to the entire element, including its content, not just its border or padding. The Transform Origin property sets the point from where a transformation, like a rotation or scaling, will start on an element. In this tutorial, I'll use the GitHub repository of Particles.js because it is more practical. Let's add this div with the for the animated background. These features provide the animated particle effect in the background and give the 404 page a unique look. For style, it's positioned absolutely to cover the whole screen and set behind our SVG. And that's it! We have an animated 404 page using HTML, CSS, and Particles.js. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.